Right, this is grade 10 engineering graphics and design. Grade 10 engineering graphics and design. So under the topic of perspective drawing, remember our aim is to draw all of them, is to attempt all of them page by page, page by page. You understand? So now let us look at task 11.11. Task 11.11. So we are given the information prepared for us, which is the top view and the front view. The top view and the front view. So we are going to use these two information to get what the missing the missing information, which is what is a full now 3D dimension house. So the question, if you read it, because it's very much important to read the question, you understand, you mustn't just attempt and be like, oh, this one I know it's supposed to be so it's supposed to be done like this, like this. Like, it is very much important to go through the question. Use the information on this worksheet to draw a 2-point perspective drawing of this house. So they are saying use the drawing instrument, so you don't just draw, you understand, without a drawing instrument. You understand, there are no dimension given there, but we are going to use our instrument to get the solution. You understand? So label the vanishing points, show all the necessary construction lines. So we are not going to just project points, but we are going to draw lines. You understand? Constructional lines, they are needed. So the very first thing that you are going to do, get this line. Okay, before I even get that, I can say, let's name this point A, let's name this one B, let's say this one is our C, that one is our what? It's our D. Let's say this is our point 1, this one is our point what? 2. You understand? So take point A vertically down. So I will decide to draw this point A vertically down using this type of a line. The name of this line, it's being called what? A center line, isn't it? So now let's check our angles, because our plan view, which is our top view, supposed to be in what? In angles. You understand? So how are we going to check that these two angles, when we add them, they must give us what? 90 degrees. So sometimes it will be 45 plus 2 times 2 is what? Is 90 degrees. If this one is 60, definitely this one is supposed to be what? 30, because 30 plus 60 is giving us what? Angle 90. So of course, this is 60, which means this one is what? Is 30 clockwise direction. This is 60 anti-clockwise direction. Which angle am I talking about? This one. You understand? And this one. You understand? Right? So now we are going to get a line from our stationary point up there till it touch your picture plane. It must become wow, vertically down to your horizontal line. So mark it with an arrow and say this is vanishing point of your right hand side. You understand? Which is what they said, label the what? The vanishing points. This is what they are talking about. So this side again, there it goes. Once it touch your picture plane, it becomes vertically down. So indicate by an arrow, this is going to be vanishing point of your left hand side. After we've gotten our vanishing points, so take your 30mm ruler, and take this point. This point, we can name it the first derivative of point A. So direct it to a vanishing point of your left hand side. like this. And your first derivative of point A to vanishing point of your right hand side. Like this. We go. You understand? Now let's consider the what? The height. Was the height, once it touch this line of yours, actually this one is CV, stand for the center vision. Once it touch this line of yours, it goes to vanishing point of your right hand side, vanishing point of your left hand side. Using your 30mm ruler, like this we go. Faint, isn't it? Again this side, like this we go. Right, take point C now. Point C to your stationary point. Once it touch your picture plane, becomes vertically down. So which means I can name this point first derivative of point C. So joins the first derivative of point A and point C, solid, like this. You understand? And let's get point B this side. Point B directed to your stationary point. There, remember, there is your stationary point, not this one, isn't it? There is your stationary point. Once it touches there, picture plane becomes vertically down. So there is my first derivative of point B. So draw it dark. You understand? So now I can get the height from here till here is the height, isn't it? There it goes. So which means from here till here I can now draw it solid. Solid till here. Solid till there. And from here till there, solid. And here can now close it. Then from here till there, solid as well. There it go. There it goes. Right. So now take this point to your vanishing point and this one to your vanishing point of your left hand side. You draw it faint. There it goes. And there it goes. Even if you take this one, they are actually talking about the bottom or the back view of your house, and this one, you understand? So now let's consider the roof now. Let's consider the roof which is from here till there, isn't it? That's your roof. So take the height of your roof. Then from here is gonna go to vanishing point of your left hand side and vanishing point of your right hand side. There it goes. And there it goes. Do you see that it seems like not giving you anything? Why? Because you didn't took the point of your roof on your top view, which is this one, which is point 1. Take point 1 to stationary point. Once it touch picture plane, then it's gonna go vertically down till where? Till here. You understand? So there, where it's colliding with this one, isn't it? There it goes from here isn't it? So it's going to give you this point. It's going to give you this point. In your solution, is giving what? That one. You understand? It's giving you that point. So now, which means you can have this one like this and like this. You understand? You understand? So now get a line from here till vanishing point of your left hand side. There it goes. There it goes. Then from there get 0.2, because this is 1, this is 2, isn't it? So that it's going to give you a point somewhere here. You understand? So picture plane goes vertically down. So there it goes, is right there. You understand? So now you can just get this like this, then solid right there. So it's like we are done with our roof, but then we have to draw the 2 windows here and the door in the middle. Right, let's start with the upper height line. There it goes. From here it goes to vanishing point of your left hand side. Even if you take it to vanishing point of your right hand side, it's not going to give you anything, since we do not have any window there. You understand? This is it. Now let's take this one to our stationary point. This point first. There it goes. From there vertically down, so which means I've got a point there. You understand? Remember, which line is this one? It's this one. There it goes. Is this one. A1. So now let's take this one. There it goes. Want to touch picture plane vertically down. So which means is that one. You understand? So which means from here till there I can have this dark line. So let's move down. Take this one. It goes from here, from where? Right here to vanishing point of our left hand side. So which means from here till there is solid. Now close it up here, close it up there. A1. Then from there we've got what? The door. Take this one. There it go. There it goes. You see this one and that one. Take them vertically. So which means from here till there is solid. This one down. From here till there is solid. So close it up there. Then the last one, take this one and that one. Stationary point. All the points from your top view, they are directed to stationary point, isn't it? Once they touch your picture plane line horizontally, they become vertically down. There it goes. There it goes. So from here till there, solid, and there it goes from here till the solid. So now close it and closed. So like this, we are done. So the question, they didn't say show the hidden details, you understand? If they say show the hidden details, this one they were going to be hidden, hidden, and hidden, and hidden, you understand? So why am I drawing this one solid? Because what is our solution? There is no a solid line there, because we did not rely on the what, on the solution. You understand? We did not rely on the solution. So the solution, what if it was not there? You understand? So we actually just use the two given information. So which means if this line is dark from here till there, the examiner or your teacher or the marker won't penalize you. You understand? They are not going to penalize you. If you didn't draw it again, you are not going to be penalized. You understand? So somebody might be saying this is one and the same thing. This task 1.3, I mean task 11.3 and task 11.11, they are different. What is different there is the loop. You understand? The loop, this is the cable, this is the scotch. You understand? You see the loop and this one. So the loop are different. So you must be very careful when you are doing your drawings or your analyzation. Before you draw, you must firstly analyze the views, isn't it? So this is it. That was Mr. Nkosi. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Please subscribe and like the videos and share to your fellow colleagues, share to your fellow classmate. You understand? So subscribe on the channel so that more videos will be uploaded to you. Thank you very much. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Okay.